Welcome to this Excel basic tutorial for beginners. In this tutorial, I will be showing you the basics that you need to know in order to get started with Microsoft Excel. The version of Excel I will be using for this tutorial is Excel 2019. If you are using the older version of the Excel or newer version of the Excel, there will be some slight differences, but most of the time this tutorial will be applicable for all the versions. Now let's open Excel. Here you can see different templates, and there is a blank workbook which we will be using for our tutorial purpose. There is a welcome tour which is available here. This I will be skipping as I am doing it right now. And there are other templates which you can use as predefined template and modify according to your use. And we can see one more option here. You can browse the different templates which is available online, and you can modify according to your requirement. I would encourage you to go through the template over here and modify according to your usage. But for this tutorial, I will be using the blank workbook. First of all, we need to understand the layout of Excel 2019. First of all, we need to understand the layout of Excel 2019. At the top, we have different tabs. Each tab is important and it is having their own usage. If you look at the tabs, for each tab, we have ribbon. This ribbon is specific to each page layout, and we have different ribbons available. Each ribbon is again sectioned into different groups. Each group is having their own functions. For example, home tab, we have clipboard category, font category, alignment category. So each category is having their own different options. At the bottom of the group, you have one launch button. If you click on this button, you will be able to see the more options what is available to choose for each group. And we will be using those based on our requirement. In the layout, at the bottom, we have the name of the sheet. So you have sheet 1 here. It is sheet 1 which we are using, and we are working on this sheet. And we have option to add the sheets. If you would like to work on multiple sheets, you can add here. And towards right side, we have one zoom option available here. So you can change the zoom level to view for more viewer experience. You can increase and you can decrease. Now let's understand the actual layout of the spreadsheet. In the spreadsheet, we have columns and we have rows. Depending on the version of the Excel you are using, you will be having the limitation on the columns and rows as well. Everything what you see in Excel spreadsheet is called cell. Every cell is having the name. If I change the cell, the name will change automatically. If I select multiple cells, this is called range. The name for the range follows like, what is the beginning cell of the range? It is C2 colon, what is the ending cell of the range? It is E4. C3 colon E4 is the name for this range. In the next video, I will show with an example by taking some data, and I will show the different options for formatting and how you can align the data and many more. Thanks for watching. If you like more updates on this channel, please subscribe.